Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox emulator. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox emulators. If you've ever wanted to experience Roblox on a different platform or with enhanced features, this guide is for you. We'll cover everything from understanding what an emulator is to getting your favorite games up and running smoothly. Get ready to unlock new possibilities for your Roblox adventures, making your gameplay more versatile and enjoyable. Now, let's talk about getting started. The first crucial step is selecting the right emulator. There are several options available, so take some time to research and pick one that suits your needs and device specifications. Always download from the official source to avoid any security risks. Once you have your chosen emulator, simply follow the on-screen instructions for installation. It's usually a straightforward process, taking just a few minutes to complete. With your emulator installed, it's time to get Roblox up and running. Begin by configuring the emulator's settings. You might want to tweak graphics or control options to enhance your gaming experience. Next, you'll install the Roblox player directly within the emulator itself. This is very similar to a standard installation. Once that's done, simply launch Roblox from within the emulator, log into your account, and you're all set to dive into countless adventures. To ensure you have the best possible experience, here are a few tips. Always keep your emulator and Roblox updated. This helps with performance and security. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to check online communities or the emulator's official support. Many common problems have simple solutions. Remember to use emulators responsibly and ethically. By following these guidelines, you'll enjoy a smooth and fun Roblox experience on your chosen emulator for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.